Hey everyone, friends on Weller Street. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the gray vibrant visuals in Minecraft. Alright, but there are a few reasons why it might be gray. Firstly, it's because of an outdated version of Minecraft. Secondly, an old phone or one that doesn't support the vibrant visuals function. Alright, so to find out if your phone supports vibrant visuals, go to Google, type which devices support vibrant visuals on phones, and you'll see that it's for iPhones above the XR model. So if you have an iPhone older than the XR model, then you won't have vibrant visuals. Alright, and on Android, you should at least have these kinds of video cores. Alright, well, you can check this by Googling what video adapter your phone has and see if it's compatible. If it is, and you still have gray vibrant visuals, see, I've got my 13th iPhone here, so I've got vibrant visuals enabled when I go into settings and then into video. Yes, and here I've got vibrant visuals on. That's it. So if it's still not working for you, you need to check for a Minecraft update through the App Store or Play Market. Or if you're sure you have the latest version, uninstall and reboot your device. Uninstall it and download it again. That's all. Weller was with you. Goodbye, everyone.